Hey, Rocky here, ready for an adventure? A black hole. Behold the mystery. Stay with us. This is going to be insane. Hold on tight, Spank. Here we go. First question, what exactly is a black hole? It is not a hole. No way. A black hole is not empty space. Look closer. A black hole is an object so incredibly massive that it bends light itself, that its gravity is strong enough to trap even light. Look at that. Even light. Can you believe it? Nothing in the universe travels faster than light, and a black hole stops it dead in its tracks. So, how does a black hole form? Let's find out. It starts with a star, a massive blue star, much bigger than our sun. Look at the difference. When that star runs out of fuel, things get interesting. It collapses under its own gravity. Whoa, feel that shockwave. In less than 1 second, something the size of a city becomes something smaller than an atom. And the gravity becomes so extreme, space bends, that it tears a hole in the fabric of space itself. Now here is where it gets really crazy. Are you ready? What happens if you fall in? Let's see the simulation. First, you would not feel anything for a while, just floating. From far away, someone watching you fall would see something incredible. You would appear to slow down, and slow down, and slow down, until you freeze completely at the edge of the black hole. Forever. You would seem to be suspended there, frozen in time. Forever. That edge is called the event horizon. Look, I can touch it. The point of no return. Quite serious, isn't it? But from your perspective, you would fall straight through. No stopping, no freezing, just a direct path. In fact, if the black hole is big enough, you might not even notice when you cross it, until it is too late. Just a tiny pinprick of light left. And here is the most mind-blowing part. Get ready. Time itself slows down near a black hole. It's mind-bending. The closer you get, the slower time moves for you, compared to someone far away. This is not science fiction. It's real physics at work. Einstein predicted it over 100 years ago. He was a genius. And we have proven it, definitely. It's a fact. Before we go, one incredible fact. Shh. Spank is sleeping. The closest black hole to Earth is 1,500 light-years away. That's a long way. That means even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 1,500 years. Exhausting. We are safe, for now. High five, everyone. From a collapsing star to a tear in the fabric of space. Recap time. Black holes are the most extreme objects in the universe. Imagine that. Science is truly incredible, don't you think so? Science is everywhere around us. It's truly amazing. If you loved this episode, smash that subscribe button. Jump for joy. If you could safely observe a black hole up close, would you dare? See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.